Hey, have you been looking for a little house that you can start out in or that you could downsize into for less than $325? This is it. You're gonna love it. It's on a beautiful, quiet little cul-de-sac. If you listen, you can even hear birds chirping. So this great little spot has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, beautiful big pie lot out back at the end of a quiet little cul-de-sac like I mentioned, and room for parking for 2 more cars at least out back too. Let me show you upstairs here. So upstairs, the present owner has replaced all the flooring on the main floor with really good quality vinyl flooring. The windows are in great shape. There's a nice big bay window at the front with just a view of the cul-de-sac and a tree. There's a nice big window here next to your dining room table. And then there's a great little kitchen over here, a little U-shaped kitchen. The dishwasher is newer. The fridge and stove work great. There's room here for your microwave. Just a really great, cute little kitchen. Little window over top of the sink. Everything is super clean in this home. Down here, there's a little bit of a hallway past a bathroom, which again, the toilet was replaced at one point, and it's all in very nice shape. The flooring's in great shape in there as well. And then like I mentioned, there's 2 bedrooms. So this one here could be a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom if you're on your own. And this bedroom is the master. Big enough for a queen size bed and a couple of nightstands. The view of the backyard is actually worth seeing from here. You can see how big this backyard is. There's a room there for, I think that's an apple tree, and a huge yard. And over on this side, you'll see there's room for 2 or 3 cars and a nice little concrete patio as well, where you can hang out in the summertime and enjoy the evenings with some friends. So when you come downstairs, you see that there's a bit of an opportunity down here because there's actually a door here that if you put a locking handle on here, this area down here can be a suite. I'll show you. There's a nice wide hallway here, just plumbing in this wall, so eventually I think you could do a bit of a kitchen here. This area makes for a nice big family room, separate entrance right over here at the back of the house. And if you come this way, there's a really nice bedroom right here. Beautiful bedroom here. Because it's a bi-level, you end up with nice big windows as well, so never looks like a dungeon. The closet here is so big and so deep that I think you have room there to add a shower to the 2-piece bath that's down here. Inside the furnace room, you'll see that they've replaced the furnace and the hot water tank. Those were both done in 2009. And then there's a great Samsung front-loading washer and dryer that are included in the price as well. So you're all set up. So outside the back door, you'll see that this was actually done professionally. There's a drain here for the water to go away. You're not gonna end up with water in your basement. Now listen to that. Beautiful, nice and quiet. There's also, as I mentioned, there's room for 2 cars to be parked over here. And there's 2 sheds on this side of the house as well. And yes, they are in the RPR, and the RPR has compliance.